Hello everybody, my name is Robert A. Irizarry and I live in Ponce, Puerto Rico, the island of enchantment. Now I just want to give a quick shout out to a very good friend of mine named Johncrestaani, and I just want to thank John for there's so many things that he's been able to teach me through Facebook, through different strategies and courses that he teaches. And as you can see, I take a lot of notes, so I just want to go over a few things here because I really do want to thank him so very much because in the stuff that he teaches you, he helps you to understand that there are multiple streams of income, the correct strategies on how to do it, the correct methods of going about it, and putting it all together is basically the most important thing. He does such a great job of helping you see the big picture, and I just want to thank you, John, so very much for all that you've done for me. I work from home. I work online. I love to do affiliate marketing, and some people ask me, well, why do you like doing that? Well, affiliate marketing, there are so many different things that you can do with affiliate marketing. There's so many programs, products, tools. There's so many things out there that other people need and are willing to buy, so long as the product does exactly what it says and it's a good product, because I personally would never promote something that I don't believe in and I know that does not work. So second, what else do I do from home? Well, like I said, I work from home on my computer. I love doing my own music, creating my own music. Been doing that for about 36 years. I joined the U.S. military when I was very young. I was 17. I did about 13 and a half years. I do this for my family, for my wife, my 2 children, and I want to make a little extra money so I can help them move on with their lives. I'm 50, going on 51, and I've been in multiple network marketing companies. Some have worked out, others haven't, and right now I'm just looking to make my mark on the affiliate marketing niche. And I'll tell you right now, guys, I am so determined. There's nothing that's going to stop me from doing what I want to get done. And I love to help others. Now, how do I do that? And that's by being of service. A mentor of mine told me a long time ago, he said, Rob, you want to become a great leader in any industry? It doesn't matter what industry that you pick. And I told him, I said, yeah, I'd love to. And he said, well, you got to take your eyes off of yourself and put them onto somebody else. And I scratched my head, and he basically was telling me that I needed to be of service. I needed to help others without any want or expect anything in return. And in return, God was always going to bless me. So no matter what I did, no matter how many people I've helped, expecting nothing in return, I know that God's always gonna have my back. So that's basically why I decided to get into affiliate marketing. Besides, the money's great. So, how much money do I expect to make from now that we're in the middle of March until December, which is my target frame? Actually, January 1st. So, I got about 7-8 months left. I know that I can hit anywhere between $50,000 to $60,000, and if I pump it up a little bit, I can make a little bit more. But my target is 6 figures. How am I going to do that? Well, there's a lot of strategies, techniques, tactics, tools that I can be using, and I do the do, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, I just don't say things and not mean it. I do what I say, and I say what I do. I also plan my work efficiently, and I work my plan. I use every tactic, strategy, and tool in the book to get my work done. Now. One thing I wanna let other people know is why should they want to start their own business online. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many different things that you can do online. You can do an affiliate marketing program. You can do an MLM program. I mean, there is so much money to be made by using your own skills that you have, your skill set. Learning new things. I'm one that I love self-education. I love learning new and different things that are going to help me so that I can achieve my goals. So that is one piece of advice that I can give to somebody that wants to start an internet marketing business is to use the products that you've got. Be determined. Be extremely effective in what you do. Be dedicated. You gotta see it. You gotta see it here. You gotta feel it in here. Use any and all tools available to you. Be consistent, and I'll tell you what. All things are possible through Christ who strengthens me, and the possibilities are endless if you only believe. So that's basically it. So if you want to hear some more, in the next couple of days I'm going to be shooting a couple of more videos. I'm going to get into a couple of more different things. I'm going to be doing some strategies, some workshops, and so on and so forth. So I want to thank you guys for your time. I want to thank you guys. Have a great weekend. God bless and continued success in all that you do. Have a great weekend, guys.